in this video, disorders and health problems of a child. Okay, in that one disease condition, that is the enuresis. Okay, it is one of the child health disorder. Okay, it will be there in the child health nursing subject. Okay, it is mainly useful for the GNM second year students. Okay, what is mean by enuresis, that we are going to discuss. Okay, in this the enuresis also called as the bedwetting. Okay, another name is there for the enuresis, that name is the bedwetting. Okay, in this bedwetting what happens means mainly in the 200 years, okay, 200 years ago, it is one of the clinical problem in the children's. Okay, 200 years ago, it is one of the clinical problem in the children's. Okay, here in the 18th and 19th century, in the 18th century and 19th century, the problem will be curing further. They are having severe pain and unethical method they are used for the solving this problem. Okay, this is the introduction regarding bedwetting or the enuresis. Okay, it is one of the childhood disorder. It will be mainly comes in the children's. In this the bedwetting also called as the enuresis. Okay, next we are going to discuss about definition of enuresis. Okay, what is the definition? Means it is one of the repetitive involuntary passage. Okay, repetitive, many times, repeat. Okay, repetitive involuntary, okay, not voluntary. The children will be involuntary movements. Okay, what is that movement? Means passage of urine. Okay, the children's repetitively involuntary passage of urine. Okay, inappropriately play, especially okay when they are providing or avoiding urination, means especially in the night time at bed, or okay in the night time at bed, and the problem will be mainly arise in the 4 to 5 years of children's. Okay, 4 to 5 years of children's. Okay, the children's will be suffering with this problem. Okay, that is the bedwetting. Okay, bedwetting or enuresis. What is meaning of enuresis? Means here involuntary, okay, repetitive involuntary passage of urine in the night time or at bedtime. Okay, this is the definition of enuresis. Okay, next causes. What are the causes? Okay, in these causes like inappropriate toilet training. Okay, first cause is the inappropriate toilet training. Second one is the neurological development. Okay, third one is the genetics. Okay, these are the causes is there for the bedwetting. Okay, here in this first one, inappropriate toilet training means as a human being, as a parent, we have to give some training regarding toilet. Okay, when the when or which time is suitable for the avoiding urination. Okay, when the child is supposed to avoiding the urination. Okay, regarding that some teaching will be given by the parents to the children. Okay, for protecting or for reducing the problem of bedwetting. Okay, as a mother she has to give some teaching regarding toilet training. Okay, how to avoid, when to avoid, okay, which is the best time for avoiding. Okay, like that the parent will give some teaching or some training to the children. Okay, when the child successfully trained by the parents, the child not having any bedwetting or the enuresis problem. Okay, here inappropriate toilet training. Okay, here the age at which toilet training is started. Okay, the age, which age group is necessary or essential for toilet training. Okay, newborn baby, 0 to 28 days of baby, we are giving some toilet training. we are able to give some training, the child or newborn baby is not receive any training. Why? Because they don't know what is the how to avoiding, or they don't know, or their physical parts not developing. Okay, for controlling of bladder or controlling of bowel capacity is not there in the newborns. Okay, such age group is there, particular age group is there for toilet training. Okay, here in this toilet training, important impact on the child. Okay, when the toilet training age group is there, okay, that time as a mother we have to give some training to the children. Okay, for next in the toilet training is started very early. Okay, in the children's not having any stress. Sometimes the child is undergone some stress, means the child may be have problem like bedwetting. Okay, sometimes emotions is there in the child, means the child may have the bedwetting. Okay, free from stress or free from training, full trained children, they are not having any bedwetting. Okay, in this inappropriate toilet training, as a mother we are failed for giving successful toilet training to the children. Okay, then the child having the one problem like bedwetting. Okay, next one is the neurological development. Okay, it is also one cause for the bedwetting. Here what happens means it is one of the common cause for bedwetting. Okay, here what happens means the neurological development should be delay. Okay, some nerves by the nerve impulses, by the receiving sensory nerves, the sensation is there. What is means the bladder will be filled with the urine. Okay, that sensation will be receiving sensory receptors that will be sending to the brain. The brain will give some impulses to the particular part or child. The child will feel okay, I want to, or I want to empty the bladder. Okay, like that some signal will be there when the nervous system will be completely development. If there any problems or any abnormality in the nervous system, okay, the children will fail successfully training of bedwetting. Okay, in this it is one of the common cause, neurological developmental delay. Okay, here what happens means the nervous system should be completely delay, means there is no successful transmission of impulses. Okay, next here the child will feel, means when the bladder should be filled with the urine. Okay, the type of impulses, the type of information or feelings the child cannot feel. Why? Because the nervous system having some problems, some developmental delay. Okay, this is the one cause. Next one is the genetics. Okay, in the genetics what happens means the children who parents not bedwetting. Okay, sometimes through the genes the disease or the symptom will have the bedwetting in the children. Okay, through the genes, how means in the parents, okay, mother or father in their childhood stage. Okay, mother or father in their childhood stage they are having one problem like bedwetting or enuresis. Okay, that may be affected by the genes. Their children also suffering with this problem. Okay, in this the children whose parents are not having bedwetting. Okay, whose parents, some parents are not having in their childhood stage bedwetting, means that will be having only 15% of incidence. Okay, 15% of incidence is there, means in the 100% only 15% of parents or the children having only bedwetting. Okay, in this not having, one or both parents who are having, okay, one or mother or father or both parents having the in their childhood stage enuresis or the bedwetting problem, that is the 44 to 77% of people. Okay, 44 to 70 means bedwetting or the enuresis is a common problem in the childhood stage. Every children in their childhood stage, the child compulsory bedwetting having. Okay, in the childhood stage. Why? Because the bladder control not there in the childhood stage. Okay, certain age group, the bladder control capacity, the splinter should be controlled in that particular age group. Okay, this will be that report or the result will be given by the genetic research. Okay, by the genetic research, whose parents are not having bedwetting, okay, those children are only 15%. Okay, whose parents in their childhood stage 44 to 77% they are having bedwetting in the childhood stage, that will be comes to the children's. Okay, this type of information will be given by the genetic researcher. Okay, next why the problem will be arising in the children's by the genes means through the chromosomal abnormalities or through the genes, that is the chromosome 13th and 12th. Okay, chromosome 13th and 12th, that will be transferred from the parents to the children. Okay, due to these chromosome or due to these genes, the children may have bedwetting in the childhood stage. Okay, these are the causes is there for the bedwetting or the enuresis.